Hi all, I'm Suzanne Bernier and I'm excited to announce a brand new DRI training offering starting this fall. Are you looking to strengthen your crisis communication skills? Would you know what and how to respond to tough questions from journalists and reporters during a crisis? Does your crisis communications plan reflect today's new reality? If you're unsure of any of those, or for refresher communications training, DRI's new Crisis Communications 2-day workshop will be offered starting the fall of 2021. The course covers the key aspects of crisis communications through slide presentations, case studies, videos, open discussion, as well as other activities and exercises, including a final mock press conference exercise at the end of the workshop. Thanks, and I hope to see you there. Stay safe.